Babe, wake up! It's 7 o'clock. We have a lot of to do today. It's Vlogmas!
But first, let's make a coffee.
Come on, it's Vlogmas! Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joseph and this is the Endless Treasure. We are a full-time reseller couple based in UK. Today is day 13 from the Vlogmas, and yesterday we sold a lot of things. Like if you didn't see the last video, please go and check out now. We made £400 yesterday, and we have to pack them and we have to post them as soon as we can. So hopefully the buyer received before Christmas. What we do today, we do listing some shoes. We cleaned some shoes last night. We show to you later, and also we clean more shoes, so we just want to finish within 1-2 days the shoes. Also, I'm not here tomorrow, so hopefully or she makes some content for you. Hopefully she didn't sing tomorrow, but let's see. And yeah, let's go and let's pack all the item what we sold, and I showed to you as well if you didn't see the last video. So the first item, it's Mammoth soft toy sold on Vinted for £6. The next item, it's Disney Lion King Simba, I think, yeah, sold for £10. The next one, it's a white t-shirt sold on Vinted, sold on Etsy for £15 plus postage. The next one, it's a Coca-Cola mirror, sold for £24 plus postage. Also sold the Phoenix comics lot, I think 20 of them, sold for £20 plus postage. We sold a pair of Converse shoes for £18 plus postage. Also we sold some figures for £10, free postage. We sold this karaoke machine for £35 plus postage. This one is from the last auction. Finally we sold the Nerf gun for I think £12 plus postage. Also it's here the Mickey Mouse that I showed to you yesterday. It sold the Philips Face Solar for £75. We paid £5 from our local carboot sale. Sold this mirror for £20. It's missing the middle mirror, so happy about that. We paid £1 for that one. Also sold this vintage Bush radio for £100. Sold the Finding Dory plush toy, which is not working, sold for £7 free postage. And also we sold a subwoofer for £20 plus postage, and a Denon compact CD player for £35. And also we sold a VHS collection for £20 plus postage. So this is all for today. Let's go and let's pack them, let's post them, and after that we go home because it's so cold in the storage unit now. Bye. So we already at home now. It's so cold outside, so we wait to come home and finally stay in the warm. And what we sold today. We sold today a rainbow bright lucky sprite green small soft toy, which is still waiting for payment. Also we sold the Transformers Commodore 64 cassette game for £12.24 plus postage. Also we sold the Sony Hi-Fi set, which we showed to you. This one is from the auction, and I think it has been scheduled for today morning, so sold within few hours for £50 plus postage. And we sold something on Depop. We sold Adidas shoes for £25. So far today is £100, and this one probably need a little more clean, because last night we finished around 9 o'clock and we don't see much. So, but I think it looks okay. It's probably reselling for used, and it's not one at all. The next one, it's another Mark and Spencer. It's not the pair. Yeah, the next one, it's Mark and Spencer, which I think is okay. They are very dirty, and we have a lot of to clean them out. This one is this one is full of black things. I don't know what is that, and I already cleaned them out. Like you can see, little bit can be seen on the leather, but still usable, still good condition, and like what I see on eBay, Barker brand is selling very good. We have, yeah, and this is all. So we do the cleaning with pink stuff, and we clean with toothbrushes. Everybody's do a different way, but we prefer this one. And also we use the black shoe polish on the black shoes, the brown on the brown one, and after that they looks amazing and so shiny as well. Also we make photograph this with this plastic shoe tree, and yeah, and probably we show to you tomorrow some tips, tricks, how we clean the shoes. And but Oshi is alone tomorrow, like I said. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, DJRU77. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.